Hey there, I'm Mitch Peterson with Environmental Tillage Systems, and I will be going over how to set up passive implement guidance. Passive implement guidance uses both the tractor and implement globes for tracking via adjustments from the tractor. Passive implement guidance is capable on both the Gen 4 and Gen 5 displays. Gen 3 and older will not work. To see if you have this feature, you will need to either unlock or have a subscription. To verify whether or not you have a subscription, first select the Menu tab, go into the Systems tab on the left, select Software Manager. Over on the left, select Activations, and scroll down until you see Implement Guidance. As you can see, the screen has a green light on it. If you have a blue light on your tractor, immediately pause this video and contact your dealership to unlock and get a subscription started. Now that we know we have implement guidance established on this tractor, we will go back to our menu screen. We'll select Menu. We'll go to Applications on the left and select the Auto Track Guidance tab. From here, we will go into our Advanced Settings screen, which is the arrow with the dot up in the top center of the screen. From here, we will scroll down until we see Auto Track Implement Guidance. Actually, we'll need to make sure this is turned on. We will also need to make sure that the Shared Receiver Signal tab is also turned on. Receiver Shared Signal. And there you have it. We have established passive implement guidance. You may now go back to your main screen and proceed with what you were doing. Have a good one.
Thanks for watching this service video. Call Environmental Tillage Systems with any questions or to order parts. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to view more videos. Find additional information on SoilWarrior.com.